Funding Pips Review. Is it the best prop firm for Forex? So Funding Pips is a proprietary trading firm based in Dubai, offering FX, indices, commodities, and crypto trading via evaluation. So traders can fund accounts from $5,000 to $100,000 with profits splitting, which also starts at 80% and scaling over time. So the pros of Funding Pips is it offers low evaluation fees and flexible scaling plans. They also have multiple platform options, so they support a lot of different types of traders like match trader and C traders. They also have a wide range of instruments that you can use, which also offers forex, metals, indices, energies, and even cryptocurrencies. They are also growing with a trader base with a lot of positive feedback, and they have a transparent scaling plan. However, there are some cons to consider. There may be some allegations of hidden rules and poor enforcement, and also there's also some strict rules. It's also a newer company compared to other platforms, and it's not regulated as with most prop firms. So although it is a promising group and prop firm offering low challenges, flexible platforms, and attractive profit splits, which is up to 100%, it's still relatively new and doesn't have the same established reputation as other larger firms. So if you want to use it, proceed with caution.